This is a video on how to run reports as a community moderator. Once you've logged in and gained access into the Pearson Career Success platform, you're going to navigate to the top black bar and choose the apple, because this allows you to pick the community that you wish to work inside of. This particular user has access to many activities, and we're going to run the reports inside of the Pearson sales team community. When I click on that circle, it generates a listing of all of the users that are participants in this community. And what I need to do here is click the reports tab. And this shows me the reports I have currently available to run. We have an activity questions responses report, the activity group categories report, and the grit gauge report. The activity group questions, or the activity question responses report, allows you to find the results for any one activity where the students actually answer questions, or the users answer questions inside of the activity. The activity group categories report allows you to see all of the data aggregated up by a particular tile. So career success, I could see all the career success data, or academic success, all the academic success data. And the grit gauge report runs the results of users who have taken the grit gauge. We'll start with the activity group categories report. Let's go ahead and run that. And this user is a part of multiple programs. That will not often be the case. So we're going to run the report for the career success tile, and I can choose to include any hidden items. So if you are a part of a program that has chosen to hide items inside of their curriculum, I could choose to run the report, include those hidden items. Oftentimes you're not going to choose this. So I'm going to go ahead and run the results of this report, and it will show me, as you can see here, that 108 users have not started working inside of Career Success out of my 163 members, and 51 users have started. And I can go ahead and click the view details under Career Success, and that shows me how that breaks down per tile. So self-discovery, research careers, programs of study, build an academic plan. Let's go ahead and dive in further into self-discovery career exploration and click view details. And this will show me the individual activities that are a part of that tile. So I can see 140 users have not completed the milestone walkthrough, 159 users have not completed the grit gauge. We'll go ahead and look at the details under the milestone walkthrough, and that will show me specifically what users and when those users did get inside of the system and walk through that particular activity. Let's go back to reports, and let's quickly run the grit gauge report. This will show me, again, I have to choose my team. This will show me the results of users who have taken the grit gauge. And after this generates, it'll also give me the overall results. So I can see out of all of my users, what's the general grittiness of those users, and also look at the individual results of those users. There's a nice little expand button here that lets me see that in a larger screen. The final report is the activity question responses report. This report allows me to see data on any questions that are a part of activities within the Career Success curriculum. So I can select an activity group here. So if I go to Research Careers and Program of Study and choose to run this report, after this report gets done running, it'll show me that on assignment 1, there's actually certain questions that a user can respond to. And I can see that 2 out of 159 people have actually answered that question. And I could view the details here, and that would expand even further the users and the responses to those individual questions. So that's how you run reports as a community moderator inside of Pearson Career Success.